Dear boys and girls, I hope everyone is very fine, both physical and mental. I, Elisha, will take EVS for your class, accompanied with Sulagna ma'am. Actually, it is our first meet. I shall teach you 3 topics today. First one is nobody should be left. Nobody should be left. The first, that is page number 95. Second topic is how to divide equally. And our third topic is our agricultural wealth, that is spreading. These 3 topics would be discussed here, and for our own interest, we will discuss the 3 topics by 2 parts. I will discuss first part. Now, actually, yesterday I have sent a message to read the topic carefully for running smooth of this lesson for today's. And if we read the topic as my advice, you will see that in the first topic, nobody should be left out. There are some characters by name, just like Moirang, and second is Imdad, and another character also there. But there is a debate. Suppose there is a debate, they have told which other days to celebrate. There is a big debate. Why some days we celebrate? Just like Tagore's birthday, Independence Day on 15th August, 26th January or Republican Day, and 5th September, birthday of Dr. S. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, which is known as Teachers' Day. It is very well-known days that we observe or celebrate. Besides the days we celebrate, we should celebrate another day also. Then this is our question: which are those days which to be celebrated by Indians? This is the most important question to us. Actually, I am discussing this matter gradually. You follow my video. Firstly, actually, after opening this page, that 95, we'll see 2 pictures of 2 tribal leaders. One is Sidhu and another is Birsa Munda. Moirang said, Birsa Munda's birthday also to be observed or celebrated. And another one, Imdad said, he heard something about Titumir from his grandfather and mothers, that is Nana and Nani. What was the contribution of theirs? As this lesson is totally based on history, regarding the history, we should know the information about the Santal rebellion, that is Sidhu and Kanu, and Birsa Munda's contribution to the Indian history and their sacrifice also. Actually, both of them fought against a British ruler. Not only British ruler, they also fought against Jamindari system, and then very traders in different way. They tried to cheat the Santal people. Regarding the fact, now I would like to discuss you about Santal rebellion that happened 1855. Santal rebellion. Follow the board. What happened? Actually, our southern community are habituated to live in forest, and they also depended on forest because their all livelihoods come from forest area. But in 1832, the British government introduced a new revenue system, and British government demanded to the Santal community to pay the tax. After demanding this tax or revenue, Santal people refused to pay their tax because they were busy and they cleaned some lands which was under forest, and they started to agricultural activities. That is called Damin-i-Koho. But British Sarkar as well as British government as well as Jamindars tried to collect revenue from the Damini-Koho that was under Santal people. They refused, and not only that, in 1853, when new railways were started to expand, and the railway company occupied the lands that's called Damini-Koho for expansion of railways. In several ways, they are treated by the British East India Company as well as local Jamindar. The Santal, they lived in some forest areas. That was Jharkhand, now Jharkhand, previously was Bihar, and some part of West Bengal, that is district Bankura, Purulia and West Midnapur. And West Midnapur now is known as Jhargram district. These Santal people, they refused to pay their tax, and British Sarkar started to torture them for collection their taxes. Many Santals became victim of corrupt money lending practice, and they never repay the loan and forcibly taken their lands and forced into bonded labours. Sidhu and Kanu Murmu, two brothers who led the Santals against the British and were defeated. Though their contribution and sacrifice is memorable for the history of India. And another point, Imdad told he heard about Titumir. Who was Titumir? Actual real name of Titumir was Mir Nishar Ali. He fought against British East India Company and also local Jamindar. But he was defeated by British and Jamindars, though his contribution is not very important. His contribution is very important for Indian history, and the name of Titumir's rebellion is called Foraiji movement, which was started by some peasants and poor people of 24th per, uh, 24th Pargona, that is north. This is the based on history. So, in this regarding this fact, we should know the another things in this 1832, 1855, 1853. What is the most importance of Indian history? Not only when when 13th June started Shanta Rebellion. These days is known as Hul Divas, and all tribal people observe these days as Hul Divas till date. Okay, I will teach you another two topics afterwards. Okay, my boys and girls, I hope everybody heard and saw the video, and now I am sending some questions, and I will request all of you to make answer of this question what I am sending you. My boys and girls, now I am going to start the second topic for today's. The heading of this topic is how to divide equally. In this topic, we will find some informations how we can divide something equally that deals with our natural things, that is hill area, river, and also trees. We know to live ourselves need oxygen. Who gives us oxygen? We got oxygen from trees. And for the cultivation, we need water. From where? We are collecting water. That is river. You know, there are so many rivers in West Bengal. Just Ganga and others also, Jalangi, and, and there are so many rivers. And another thing is some forestry also, some mines also. So we shall have to equally distribute to continue our livelihood for future these properties to be equally distributed. Otherwise our life is not to be completed. Okay, now I am giving some questions on that topic. I hope everybody have read in your house yesterday, and I am sending some questions on that topic. That is second topic, how to divide equally. Okay. Forty-five minutes of our class is now going to end, and I will request all of you, all answers you will do, and note down your notebook, and I will check physically. At first I told you, And another some question I have sent you on the second topic, though it was no more time for discussing the second topic. Okay. If you have any questions, you may send, and I will send you an answer in proper time. And the first part of the questions and second part, all answers I will send you at the evening today. So no tension, and uh, I will help all of you for finding all answers. Okay.